session of Unit 4. In our previous session, we saw how Lalita's parent surprised her, right? Did you enjoy the story? Now, let's listen to a song to have more enjoyment.
I am a brinjal, as purple as can be. I give your body iron, if only you would try. I am a potato, as brown as can be. I am a potato, I'm yummy all over. I am a green bean, as green as can be. I am a green bean, I am long, crisp and thin. I am a bitter gourd from the family of gourds. I am a bitter gourd with ridges on my skin. I am a radish, as white as can be. I am a radish and sometimes I am pink. I am a snake gourd, I look like a snake. I am a snake gourd, I am hollow inside. I am a bottle gourd, I am large in size. I am a bottle gourd, I am fleshy and juicy. I am a tomato, as red as can be. I am a tomato, I am juicy all over. I am a mango, I grow in summer. I am a mango, I am king of the fruits. I am an apple, I am round and yummy. I am an apple, I am good for your health. I am an orange, I am soft and pulpy. I am an orange, I am round and yummy. I am a guava, I am green and yellow. I am a guava, I am round and juicy. I am a banana, I am long and curved. I am a banana, I make you strong. We are pulses, green, red and black. We are pulses, horse and Bengal gram.
Wow, that was a cute song by so many fruits and vegetables. Now let's see if we can find out the spellings of these fruits and vegetables.
So, let us do the activities under vocabulary. Children, open your English textbooks and turn to page number 61. There are 5 names each of fruits and vegetables in the word maze given below. Find and circle their names. One is done for you. So, పిల్లలు ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చిన బాక్స్లో ఉన్న ఫ్రూట్స్ అండ్ వెజిటబుల్స్ను కనుక్కొని సర్కిల్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ లెట్ us ఫైండ్ హారిజాంటల్లీ అంటే అడ్డంగా ఉన్న వరుసలో చూద్దాం. ఓకే, AIKBEANS. ఎస్, BEANS, beans. Let us circle it. POTATO. POTATO. Yes, potato. Next line. PRONKDPA. Can you find any fruit or vegetable? No. So let us go to the next line. LAMANGOD. Yes, MANGO, mango. Next line. ENANLUSI. No, in this line there are no fruits or vegetables. Next line. MGTAGAKS. సో ఈ లైన్లో కూడా లేవు. NEOCMVTH. నో. నెక్స్ట్ లైన్ BRINJALF. BRINJAL. Yes, brinjal. So now let us find vertically అంటే నిలువు వరుసలో చూద్దాం. In the first line APPLEMNB. Yes children, APPLE, apple. Next line IORANGER. Yes, ORANGE, orange. The third line they have already circled tomato. So let us move on to the fourth line. BANANA, banana. Next line ETKNLMJ. No, ఈ లైన్లో లేవు. నెక్స్ట్ లైన్ AODGUAVA. Yes children, GUAVA, guava. Next NAPOSKTL. No, there are no fruits and vegetables in this line. Next line SRADISHF. Yes, radish. Okay children, is it clear? Let us go to the next page. Page number 62. Third bit. Lalita saw some pulses and vegetables at the exhibition. The names of some pulses end with gram and the names of vegetables end with gourd. Write them under the correct heading. So, మనం సాంగ్లో ఆల్రెడీ గ్రామ్తో ఎండ్ అయ్యే పల్సెస్ అండ్ గాడ్తో ఎండ్ అయ్యే వెజిటబుల్స్ని తెలుసుకున్నాం కదా. సో లెట్ us write them under the correct headings. Green gram or green gourd? Yes, green gram. Let us write it under pulses. Bitter gram or bitter gourd? Yes, bitter gourd. Write it under vegetables. Bengal gram or gourd? Bengal gram under pulses. Angular gram or gourd? Yes children, angular gourd. Write it under vegetables. Red gram or red gourd? Red gram. Write it under pulses. Horse gram or horse gourd? Horse gram. Yes, write it under pulses. Snake gram or snake gourd? Snake gourd under vegetables. Black gram or gourd? Black gram. Write it under pulses. Bottle gram or bottle gourd? Yes, bottle gourd. Write it under vegetables. Okay children, did you write? Good. To write, you are listening and watching my lesson, right? You are doing 3 actions or works at a time. For every action, we are using some words. So, they are known as action words or verbs. So, a verb is a doing word that shows an action. Now, shall we see and enjoy a video on verbs? See, everybody see. Everybody, what did we do? What did we do? We saw. Come, everybody come. Everybody, what did we do? What did we do? We came. Sleep, Everybody sleep. Everybody, what did we do? What did we do? We slept. We slept. Draw. Everybody draw. Everybody, what did we do? What did we do? We drew. We drew. Bring. Everybody bring. Everybody, what did we do? What did we do? We brought. We brought. Break. Everybody break. Everybody, what did we do? What did we do? We broke. We broke. Save. Everybody save. Everybody, what did we do? What did we do? We saved. We saved. Give. Everybody give. Everybody, what did we do? What did we do? We gave. We gave. Take. Everybody take. Everybody, what did we do? What did we do? We took. We took. Bake. Everybody bake. Everybody, what did we do? What did we do? We baked. We baked.
So, what did we observe in the video, children? Yes, we have changed the verb form for the actions. Why? Enduku? Endukante we are using the verb in the past tense. But what is past? The past is anything that happened before now. అంటే జరిగిపోయిన యాక్షన్స్కి మనం వర్బ్ ఫామ్ని మారుస్తాం. Let us see how will they change. We add ed to some words. For example, plant, planted. Some verbs take different forms. For example, see, saw, drink, drank, feel, felt. Some other verbs do not change. For example, cut, cut, put, put. Okay, children? Now, let us fill in the blanks from page number 62 with the past form of the verb given. So, already వీడియోలో విన్నారు కదా పిల్లలు, ఆన్సర్స్ చెప్పండి. ఓకేనా? ఓకే. ఫస్ట్ వన్, I dash a lion in the zoo. See.
Saw. I saw a lion in the zoo.
My uncle dashed to see us last Sunday. Come.
Came. My uncle came to see us last Sunday.
Third one, we dash very late last night. Sleep.
Slept. We slept very late last night.
Sheba dashed a picture yesterday. Draw.
Drew. Sheba drew a picture yesterday.
Amit dashed his cricket bat to school. Bring.
Brought. Amit brought his cricket bat to school.
Someone dashed the window pane yesterday. Break.
Broke. Someone broke the window pane yesterday.
I dashed 100 rupees in my kiddie bank. Save.
Saved. I saved 100 rupees in my kiddie bank.
Lucy dashed me a present on my birthday. Give.
Gave. Lucy gave me a present on my birthday.
Father dashed us out for dinner last night. Take.
Took. Father took us out for dinner last night.
Mother dashed cookies for us yesterday. Bake.
Baked. Mother baked cookies for us yesterday.
So, your homework is learn the spellings of these past verb forms. Okay, children?